In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily copy YouTube channel link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and all you have to do in order to copy YouTube channel link is just open up YouTube channel. If you would like to copy channel link for your YouTube channel, you need to tap right here at channel's profile picture and then select your channel. You will be taken to your channel's main page, and from here we need to tap at three dots, share, and then copy link. If you would like to copy a link of someone else's channel, you can do so in the same way. Just go to their channel, tap at three dots, then share, and then copy link. That's how you can easily copy YouTube channel's link.